Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix this error in Microsoft Excel in the most easiest way. To get started, simply search for Registry Editor and open it. Now go to the video description and copy this registry location from there. Paste it in the address bar of Registry Editor and hit enter. It will take you to the Windows key. Now right click over the Windows key and click on Permissions. Now check mark the Allow box and save the change. Now again right click over the Windows key and go to Permissions. Now click on Add from here. Here type everyone and click on Check Names. Click on OK. Check mark the Allow boxes and save the change. Now close the Registry Editor, restart your PC and the issue will get resolved. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.